Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make a delicious pineapple fresh cream cake. To make this pineapple fresh cream cake, first let's make the cake. For this, take 2 eggs in a bowl and I'm adding some pineapple essence to the egg. If you don't have pineapple essence, you can add vanilla essence as well. Beat the eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes till it becomes light and fluffy like this. At this point, add sugar and continue to beat for about another 2 minutes. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box. You can check it out later. Now add some milk and oil and combine this for about 10 seconds. In another bowl, take some plain flour or Maida, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a fat pinch of baking soda and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix this all well together. Place a sieve over the bowl and sift the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Combine the wet and the dry ingredients. Don't over mix the batter. Just mix it till it all comes together like this. Only then your cake will be nice and soft. I'm using a 6 inches cake tin to bake this cake. Grease and line the cake tin with a parchment paper or butter paper so that the cake comes out easily without sticking to the tin. Now transfer the batter into the cake tin. Tap the cake tin on the counter to remove any air bubbles and bake this in the preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Put a toothpick or a skewer in the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Wait for the cake to cool down before we cut the cake and frost it. For the pineapple slices, I'm using this tinned pineapples. You can find this in any supermarket or you can find it online as well. The pineapple will be stored in a liquid. Don't discard the liquid. Strain it and we can use that liquid to soak our cake. Once the cake cools down, cut off the top layer and cut the cake into 2. I also chose to cut the sides of the cake. This is optional. If you want, you can trim the edges of the cake, otherwise leave it. I'm using whipping cream to frost the cake. Take 1 cup of whipping cream, add 1 teaspoon pineapple essence and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar and beat till you get stiff peaks. Now let's assemble the cake. Place the first layer of cake on the cake board or the serving platter and soak it with the soaking liquid from the pineapple slices. Spread a layer of whipped cream and spread it evenly. Cut some pineapples into small pieces and fill this cake with these pineapple slices. Fill as much as possible because these pineapples, they taste so delicious while eating the cake. Now place the second layer of cake and soak this layer too. Crumb coat the cake and leave it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add some extra whipped cream and frost the entire cake. Decorate the cake as you wish. I just did some simple designs. This pineapple cake is such a soft, moist and delicious cake. You can make this cake for a celebration. My family loved this cake. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.